Hi, Johan. I just thought I'd shoot you a quick video about anchor links within Divi. It makes it easy to, click something like a menu item or any link and make it scroll the user to a particular section or even a row layout or even a module. So I'll show you how to do that real quick here. So I would scroll down to say, okay, maybe I want the first one to be this section up here. So first I would open up the section settings. And then under the Advanced tab, CSS ID and classes, you would just define a word. So this is going to be, I'm just going to call it section number 1, section 1, and save that. And let's save this page. And what I'll do is just change this so that I know that we're going to the right place. Section 1. And let's save this right here. So to send the user to any page and then have the browser scroll to an anchor link, you would then you remember what you called this anchor link and then use a hash symbol or a pound symbol before that at the end of the URL. And so let's go up here and let's exit the visual builder, and then I'll just make a menu item in my sample site right here. We just go over to Appearance Menus because I haven't made a custom header or anything. And so I guess I have to create a menu because I'm just on a default site here. Let's just call this the header menu and create it. And I can define it as the primary menu, and I'll bring a couple of pages over. Okay, great. Now I have two menu items here. So if I wanted to send someone to the AI consultant page, I would just define this as that page. Now I can set a drop down with a custom link. And so let me just put the URL of the site and put that hashtag mark section 1. And you can, if you know they're going to be on the same page and you want to scroll them around or you don't have other pages, you don't have to put the URL. You can actually just put this here and it will append that on the back of the page they're on. And you can have them scroll up and down on a page that way. But for now, let me just go ahead and edit I'm just going above here and I'm grabbing the URL of the website from the browser's address bar. And I'll paste it right in there. And you don't put the ending slash. What you have here is the URL and then the hash mark and the name of your CSS ID here. So this will be section 1. I'll click add to menu, and now let me put this underneath by sliding it out to the left here and saving that as a menu item. Okay, so let's open this in a new tab. And say if I go to the AI consultant page, right, that's working. So if this drop down, you can see at the bottom left here when I roll over the drop down, it has that URL. It did place a slash and then hashtag section 1. When I click this, that didn't work. So let me see what happened here. It may be, let me go back to the menus and this custom link. Wonder if I need to put that slash in there. Hashtag section 1 and save. Let me refresh and let's see. No, that's not working for some reason. This goes to this page. Oh, it's because I'm on the wrong page. Duh. I'm just grabbing the correct URL now from the page, which is the greg.com/AI consultant. And so I just had the wrong custom link in there. So what it really looks like is that. So greg.com/AI-consultant and then hashtag section 1. So let me save the menu. And now if I refresh the page, in fact, if I just go to the home page here, you could see that if I click section 1, it's going to open the correct page and then scroll the user down to my section 1. And then if you're somewhere else, like if you're on the page itself, if you click section 1, it will just open it again and scroll the user down. So then I can go through, and this one could be section 2, for example, and this one section 3. So that's how you use anchor links within Divi. And now one last thing, if you are on the page itself, if you don't have the URL in there, then it doesn't have to open the page a second time. Let me just show you how that would work as I finalize this video here. Just in the URL, you just put hashtag and the CSS ID. And now as I go back, and let me refresh the page here. Now as long as I'm on this page, you can see that it'll just immediately scroll the user down. Or if they're down at the bottom, that will also scroll the user up to the proper section. And so it's a little smoother when you're on the page, like if you have a one-page website and you're using navigation with just anchor links to scroll the user up and down to the different sections. It works really well for that. And Divi has this smooth scrolling feature, so it doesn't just skip down there. It uses a CSS expression that allows the browser to scroll with a little bit of animation down there. So I hope that helps a bit for question number 1. All right, see you, Johan. Thanks.